Hello everyone, welcome to St. Peter's School. Children, open your term book, page number 263, lesson number 15, internal organ. So children, parts that are inside our body is called internal organs. So children, let's start. Identify these pictures of different organ and name them. So children, inside our body are called internal organs. So children, see the first picture. What do you see in this first picture? Brain. So children, first picture, write down brain. B-R-A-I-N. Brain. Done. Come to the second picture. Kidneys. Kidneys, blood around the body. So children, write down second one. Kidneys. 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 Third, what is this? Lungs. Yes. So children, write down third one. Lungs. Done. Lungs. Lungs. Come to the fourth one. What is this? Bones. Yes. So children, fourth one, write down Bones. Bones. Come to the next row. What do you see? What is this? Heart. So children, Heart. Then come to the next picture. What is this? This is stomach. 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 Done. And seventh picture. This is liver. 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 Done. And last, eighth one. What is this? This is intestines. So children, write down Intestines. Intestine. So children, come to the next. Filling the blanks with their internal organ parts. Dash control our body function and movements. Dash control our body functions and movements. Brain. Brain control body functions and movements. So children, first one, write down brain. Done. Come to the next one. Your dash pumps blood around the body. Kidneys pumps blood around to the body. So children, write down second one. Kidneys. Kidneys. Done. Third one. Food is broken down and digested in your dash. Where the food is digested? In our stomach. So children, write down third one. Stomach. 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 Done. Come to the fourth one. Your dash produce digestive juices called bile. So children, what is this? Liver. So children, fourth one, write down liver. Then fifth one, your dash draw in air into the body. Your dash draw in air into the body. Lungs draw in air into the body. So children, fifth one, write down lungs. 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 Done. Come to the next one. Sixth one. Your dash help with the digestion and removal of waste matter. Dash help with digestion and removal of waste matter. Intestines. Yes. So children, write down here intestines. Done. 7 1. Your kidneys removes liquid waste product from the blood. Your kidneys. So children, write down 7 1. Kidneys. Kidneys removes liquid waste product from the blood. Done. Come to the eighth one. Your dash provide frame, work and protect internal organs. Our bones, bones, provide frame, work and protects internal organs. Done students? All are completed? Thank you.